Alright, so I flew my drone a little bit. Now I just gotta bring it down carefully over here. The landing over here is not the greatest. And hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So in today's video I'm not doing any work, I'm actually going for a joyride. Today is a beautiful spring weather, it's sunny, still a little bit on a chilly side, but anyways, I'm gonna go for some scenic drive and just enjoy it. Since I still don't have my skid plates and I'm still working on that, I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I have to order something or something. As of now, things are kinda in the air, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just going to some lake, just gonna enjoy the beautiful day today. So for now I'm just packing my camera gear here and stuff, and as you can see over here, this is still work in progress. I already got some beans over here and some other stuff. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna secure it here, how I'm gonna position over here, but even like that, this is already pretty solid. It's not really moving much. This is sliding a little bit, but maybe there's some jump cord, this will fix it. But once I get to the place, I still want to talk about more about this stuff, what my plans for here, and I have some questions to you guys. But I'm really happy how this shelf came out, and it came out so much cheaper. I was looking online, if I was to buy a ready-made one, it's almost $600, and this was just a fraction of it. I'm really happy. So now I'm just gonna get in and start driving. Alright guys, I have arrived. This is a nice little place over here. This is actually used to be a ski resort, but now it's abandoned. Well, they're not using that for anymore for skiing, but this is just a nice park over here. So now I'm just gonna walk around, maybe take some pictures. A little bit windy today, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fly my drone today or not, but we'll see. So as you can see, this is used to be a ski resort, but they no longer use it for it. I guess they moved it elsewhere for a bigger one. So now I'm just walking around taking pictures and just enjoying the beautiful weather. Like I said, a little bit windy today, but still it's better than sitting inside. Sometimes you just want to relax and just enjoy the quiet of the nature. It's not always about fixing the car, it's not always about going off-roading or something. Sometimes I just like to just go out, enjoy the nature, take some photos and discover new places like this place. I've never been here before, and I just recently found out about this place, and now I'm just walking around and exploring. And look at this. This is the little cabinet over here. I guess this was used to operate the ski line over here. I don't know, from here I guess it was going there and bringing people up there or something. But this looks old. But of course, everybody's using it for the garbage now. And some kind of old structure over here. I guess this was used for, again, for all those lines, for people to go up and down or something, to bring the people up here, I guess. But this looks old. Matter of fact, that looks kind of dangerous wherever that falls. Hopefully nobody is there. Alright, just gonna walk around more and explore. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna try to go on top of that mountain and I'll see if I can fly my drone there. It's a little bit windy, but we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna try and see if I can get all the way on top over there. I'm very curious to see what's over there. And then maybe I can take the whole panoramic view with my drone of this place. That way, with the drone it's always great to get up in the air and to explore, see what's around you, especially like if you're doing some off-roading and you're not sure what's ahead of you or something. Drones are very helpful for that. Even if you can get a cheap drone for $100 or something, and you can fly ahead of you and see and explore what's ahead of you when you drive, that's always great, I feel like. Alright guys, I think I'm on the top of the mountain, at least top of this mountain. From here I can see the lake over there, and now I'm just gonna rest a little bit, catch my breath and fly my drone. So I flew my drone a little bit. Now I just gotta bring it down carefully over here. The landing over here is not the greatest, but I think we can manage and land it carefully on this small spot over here. And a touchdown. Perfect. I know it doesn't look the prettiest right now because all the trees are still dead, there's no leaves, there's no green anything, but even that, it's pretty nice to be out in the nature. So now I'm slowly gonna go back to the to the camp base. Right guys, I'm almost back. I really like this place. Whenever it gets better, the weather in the summer, and all the trees gonna be green, I'm sure I'm gonna come back more and more over here and take some more photos, take some more videos, and fly my drone more. Today was a little bit too windy, so I didn't risk it much, but yeah, this is nice over here. I like this spot that I discovered. Alright guys, so this is my basic setup for now. So I got my shelf, this is my recording gear, my drone and my camera with lenses. This is, I still gotta figure out how I'm gonna position this. I actually just picked up this small little bag. That's for all kind of small tools that I'm gonna have, which probably gonna go with one of these buckets. Recently I just picked up this box, and I feel like between all of this it fits all pretty good. So if I pull this one out, which comes out pretty easy, in the back I have another box. Currently I have some tools in here, some spare little parts and stuff like that. So between all of these and these, so like I said, so one of these bags probably gonna go inside there with more tools, just to be safe. So this is how my setup is currently looking. and I'm really happy how this came out, and the price I paid for what I built it is so much cheaper, almost 500 cheaper than if I was to buy a made one. Over here I'm planning to get some kind of cooler to keep it in here, so when I'm out on a trail or somewhere I can keep my food and drinks cool in there. If you have any suggestions for a good size cooler, and yeah, leave it in the comments. Or if you have any other comments about the tools, which tools I should carry and what spare parts I should have, always feel free to leave them in the comments. But this is like a short video today. I went out, I enjoyed, it's very sunny and nice. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, hope you might find it helpful, and on this note, until next time, everybody, bye.